Guys, also I forgot, if I don't post my live sessions like on YouTube, um, just because I didn't take a trade, remember that you could go back and watch them on my kick, so you can watch the live market. Are we really about to just sweep this fucking 15-minute like that on NASDAQ? The only thing I would consider targeting over here on fucking on ES is these hourly highs. We got a 15-minute high right here, a 15-minute high right here, but I'd like to come down and sweep out that hourly low though. You got it, girl, you got it. ES is continuing up, NASDAQ's continuing down. Okay, alright. Wow. What happened? We're coming down to these hourly fair value gaps. What I'm trying to think is if again, I don't like taking trades this early, but I want to see if I could. Nasdaq showing me wants to continue lower. Both indexes aren't correlated, but I don't want to short into too bullish hourly fair value gaps when we're bullish on the higher time frames. I'd like to see like a ES is just hesitating. It's making me think that we're gonna want to keep continuing up. I'm just coming out and take out liquidity down here. We're in this hourly bullish right now. Where's equilibrium? Still got news in 20 minutes, dog. But I would like to, if we're gonna go up, dude, I'm gonna target these hourly highs on ES, and that's gonna make me think we'll want to come at least to these 4-hour. We're coming into an hourly fair value gap. My opinion, we're gonna come right through this 5-minute. That's what I think. But again, I want to wait for news. But I'd also like to see this 5-minute get inversed. give me that confirmation. By the time that, we're gonna be hitting these hourly highs. This is the reaction I wanted off of these hourly lows into this hourly fair value gap. ES is showing me wants to continue higher too. I'd like to see a 5-minute SMT or something too though. Let's see, if we're going to continue higher, we're going to react off equilibrium here. And if we break, I wouldn't doubt that we come up, take out those hourly highs. But I really want to wait for news. I don't want to be in a trade with core PCE. I think we can get a pretty good candle off of that. I'm leaning more towards bullish right now, but again, I don't want. I'm not taking anything yet. Don't go off of what I'm saying. Just because we're sweeping on an hourly low and an hourly bullish for value gap. But again, we could come down into the first presented hourly still. And we still have news drop at 10. Let's see. I was going back and studying my trades last night though, but I really want to start waiting more for that 1 minute break of structure, because again, sometimes I'll take a V-shaped recovery inverse fair value gap off of an hourly low or something like that, and I just go off of the inverse. I don't wait for that break of structure. Every time that I watched my videos last night and I had a break of structure, the trade ended up playing out usually. But when I didn't wait for that 1 minute break of structure after the 1 minute inverse fair value gap, I'd always get stopped. I'd always end up retracing. Like this is an example. Boom. See? This is an example right here. We inverse back up, but we never broke structure back to the upside. Look at that candle, dog. Because people probably took this inverse off of an hourly bullish fair value gap, hourly low getting swept. We get a V-shaped recovery up and inverse this fair value gap right away. And it's like, all right, sweet, this is going to be a liquidity sweep. And people probably put their stops below this low. And they target this. But again, I like what now I'm going to start waiting for that 1 minute break of structure. We never broke structure back to the upside. Oh, look at that gap. Got a gap on ES. There we go, fixed it. What, are you in school? It's hard, Pluto. I was like that with wrestling. That's why I traded Asian session or London session. You're still young though, dude. I would just take this time to keep learning. Because you're going to graduate by the time you're 18 or something like that, 19. If you're a producer who hates AI, yep, might change your mind. This is reimagining co-producer. You can take any... It happens, man. That's why trading's hard. Hey, at least you predicted the way. As of now. There you go. That Chinese food will make you feel better. I wouldn't want to take this. Dude, maybe we want to come into that first presented. But I really want to wait for this news drop. I really do. But it looks like we want to continue lower. $9.15, $9.25. Where's $9.25? Yeah. Did we form a 15-minute SMT? We did off of that candle closure, guys. Look at that. We did. We formed a high and a lower high on NASDAQ and a high and a higher high on ES. We did. Are we coming for London session lows? Are we coming for it? Alright, we're coming into that first presented hourly for a value gap. I don't like the song. No, we'll just keep it. We are dumping down. $15-minute SMT was formed off of market open. News drops in 10 minutes. Looks like we're coming for London session low. But we did come into that first presented for a value gap. Are we in equilibrium yet too? It looks like it. Bring out the fib. Listen, if I missed out to the downside, I missed out to the downside by now because news drops in 10 minutes. I'm not getting into a trade before news drops. But we are coming down at this first percent of hourly fair value gap on NASDAQ. Still have these hourly highs above. Why do I have this marked out as an hourly low? This is a 4-hour low. Oh no, it's an hourly. Dirt. Let's see if this one will play out. Look, let's go for another example here. We're coming off that first presented hourly fair value gap. We get an instant inverse fair value gap, right? Let's see what happens. See if we get a break structure on the 1 minute. Really don't want to enter at this time though. 8 minutes. Alright, less than 8 minutes. Yeah, we got 7 minutes. 7 minutes till news drop. Let me get a 5-minute SFT out of this fair value. I got 5-minute lows and then Q swept and ES has and should be something smelling good right here. Yeah? I ain't even looked at the 5-minute wing wall. Yeah, these 5-minute lows. Good spot, winger. Good spot. Good. Look, but we didn't get that break of structure yet, right? I'd want to wait for that break of structure off this inverse. And if we inverse this, it'd probably be... But I really don't want to enter before news. It's giving me a setup, but I don't want to enter before news. Core PCE usually has a big reaction in my opinion. Look, we inversed it right here on ES. And we broke structure. We already were in a downtrend anyway. Six-point stop. If I fade another fucking trade just because of news, I'm gonna be pissed. But again, I have to do it. I'm sticking to my rules. How much is a 6-point stop? Six times 5 equals 30. What, we can go in 6 position sizes? Yeah, we go in 6 micros on ES. I'm not taking it. I'm not freaking taking it, alright? And we inversed it over here on NASDAQ. I'm gonna mark it out too. Watch, it's gonna play. I'm sticking to my rules and I'm not fucking taking it. Yas, you take it? Alright, we got one person in there. At least somebody make money. It looks good, dude. I'm just gonna wait. It looks good though. Inversed it on both indexes too, dog. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good, Yas. It happens, Pluto. Gotta work your way around it. Alright, I like it. Again, the setup's there, guys. So, like, if this trade doesn't even play out regardless, it's still a good trade. But let's get it. Remember, on news drop, too, this thing could just tank down to fucking London session lows, or it could do nothing, too. So... Not yet, Z. For an S&T to form, we would need this to be a bullish candle closure. Why does he like lower the music? All right, news should be dropping. See if it goes. Oh my god. Let's see what happened.
Esprit at Avenir offers a distinguished country club lifestyle in Palm Beach Gardens, a community of style and sophistication.
All right, nothing crazy, huh?
Culture homes, featuring an amenity-filled club and personalized homes. Here, your place in the sun is perfectly set, because when everything around you is designed with clarity, you can simply shine on. Esprit
I want those London lows. See if we get a setup here. See if it's just gonna dump down here. It might just continue. Yeah, ES is continuing lower here. I don't want to enter off of this yet. And well, news drop was Jack Shitter. I want to target those London lows though. Can we get a retrace up though? We have these 1 minute highs above that I'd really like to see one of us come take out. Come on, baby. Give us a setup today. Give me a setup. I really think we want those London session lows, dude. Yeah. We really want those London lows, dude. I'm not gonna get an injury.
I wake from my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you push your love on me.
Only you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Okay, I guess that's what happens when two fools be falling in love. Mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Love again. Yeah, yeah. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh.
Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me.
First you gotta forgive. Let me know everything gon' be okay. Even if I come out of everything I did, would you still punish me? Know I did it a long time ago. It's on. Let me know if I propose. Would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you embarrass me or play your part? Baby, don't fall. My heart is yours. You got the power, pussy power. You got the power, pussy power. The floor is yours, the time is ours. Hey, you believe me or you don't. Choose to believe me or you won't. If you leave me, I'm skull and bone. I'm dead, baby. You told me.
Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it.
best, cause ain't none of them at all like you. And you know how I feel when I chill. If I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just like you. And baby, that's the way I feel. And I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out it. I was the kind of guy that tried to dump you out, but I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me now. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes. And I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you can show me. In a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me. And I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come around, your love is amazing to me. Can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. And your best love has arrived. And I thank God I'm alive. All in the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. Your side of you leaves me weak.
Sorry I'm being quiet, guys. I'm trying to focus here.
So if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to me. Won't take my eyes off you. I need you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, okay, it's okay. Oh, pretty baby. Don't let me down, I'll take. Oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you. Oh, baby, let me love you. Yeah, yeah. Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman serve good time. This for the diamond, half the rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. There's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never see it coming 'cause you're blinded from the start. Ooh, that you're that one for me. It's clear for everyone to see. Ooh, baby. Yeah, you gotta rock me with this. Hey, come on. See, I don't know about y'all, but I know about us.
I dare you to let me build you a completely free e-commerce store preloaded with 20 handpicked products that are trending all over the world.
Shut up, dude.
AI.
Yeah, lick a fat one. We tapped into the 15 minute on NASDAQ, but I need to see a swipe. I believe we want London session lows. But again, you gotta remember, we're still trading in this hourly bullish first presented, and we're in this hourly order block. Look at this, dude. I just don't want to get caught in this. I don't want to get tricked down. I know I've been patient lately, but it's like, fuck. Peace out, Yas. Focus. We have relative equal highs up here in this 15-minute fair value gap also. Formed a 1 minute S&T at the low also. Let's see if we inverse this fair value gap. Go Cheeto! Go Cheeto! Go Gigo! Go Guido! Go Gigo! Alright. Best measure shit. Alright, hold on. Daddy's gotta go back to work real quick. Hold on. And that's why we stay patient. Avoided 2 losses so far. Still stay patient right now. I want to stay nice and calm. A lot of chip choppy here, you know. Let's see if this is the manipulation up. Continue lower. But yeah, patience right now. And I've been very patient with trading in general, and I've missed out on a couple setups. But this is where one of the days that it just helped us. So. We're overall bearish, so. But again, we're in an uptrend on the higher time frame. It's just going to be where we form that new low, and we form a new high, a new low, continue higher. But I want to see if we get a 5-minute break of structure, I'll go back to bullish. If we get a 5-minute break of structure, I'd be bullish again. Because we do have a new 4-hour high that formed at 10. So, but I need to see a 5-minute break of structure. And if we inverse this 15-minute bullish for bearish fair value gap. But again, I'm going to pay attention to this 5-minute high in this 15-minute fair value gap because ES is about to come tag it. NASDAQ's a little bit away.
'cause I'm a beautiful wreck, a colorful.
We inverse this 1 minute bearish too. 954. That's their 5 minute high. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 wee wah. Oh my god, don't do it. Broke structure on ES. We broke structure on ES. Inverse fair value gap, break a structure. Had a 15-minute fair value gap. We didn't break structure yet on NASDAQ. What would this entry be? How many points? 12-point stop. Basically be targeting a 1-to-1. I'm gonna wait for a 1 minute bearish fair value gap to form. Like I said, I'm waiting for that 1 minute break of structure after that 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We didn't break structure on NASDAQ. That's why I waited. I'm not just going to enter just because we get a big ass bearish candle. We didn't sweep any draws. And we formed a new 5 minute high right there. That's why I said we formed a new 5 minute high. Now let's see if we come up and sweep out that 5 minute high and get a reaction off of it. All right, ES took it out. Now I would like to see SMT form inverse fair value gap break a structure. Then I would consider entering this. But if we break structure on the 5-minute time frame and inverse this 15-minute fair value gap, I'm switching my bias to bullish and I want to target this 4-hour high. And we have a 4-hour high plus 2 hourly draws above on NASDAQ. We have potential here, but I need to see my confirmation. And we're gonna form a 15-minute low after this candle. So if we continue to the downside, we have another take profit level we could take. This is a setup we've seen many times. 5-minute high and a 15-minute fair value gaps. Go down the 1-minute time frame, 1-minute SMT. Look for 1-minute inverse, break a structure. All right, we formed an SMT. Let's see if price wants to do it. It's up to price at this point. Let's see if we want to react off of this and continue higher. Because again, we still have the potential to even continue higher. Just because we formed an SMT, that's step one. That's step one. Let's see if ES comes back and takes out that high. People just entered short there. Like, again, this is tricky. This is tricky shit right here. This is where patience is gonna pay us. Again, yesterday it made us miss out on a trade, but I need to see my confirmation. Just because I miss out because I don't see my rules, I'm not just gonna take a trade because I expect it to go somewhere. Can't predict the future. All right, getting the stiffy. Is that a 4-hour? It is. $46-point stop. 2 macros.
This is Grammarly's AI writing app. Your writing from start to finish, all in one place.
Notice. Did we break structure on the 5? No. Wow. This is patience right here, dude. Remember, we were coming down into an hourly fair value gap also. We were coming into this hourly first presented. It's like how we trade on that 1 minute time frame. We always wait for that first presented fair value gap to get filled. And if we come over here now, we have equilibrium that formed. Now we can mark out equilibrium. And we have 25 minutes till this candle closes. Where we could form an hourly fair value gap. Holy shit. Might get a 5-minute break, dude. We might get a 5-minute break. We just did, didn't we? We just got a 5-minute break structure. We just got a 5-minute break. Still have 9 minutes till this candle closes. We have another 15-minute fair value gap above that we're probably gonna trade into. Broke structure on the 5 though. I'm gonna X all this out so we don't have a lot of shit going on here. No 15-minute fair value gap here on ES either. All right, last opportunity that I'm gonna let myself think about taking is we broke structure in the 5-minute time frame. We're probably gonna, I would switch my bias to bullish off of that. If I want to run a react off of this 5-minute high already, I'd want to see a 1-minute SMT break a structure off of it, or just 1 minute inverse fair value gap. We have 2 fair value gaps here now. I'm gonna X out this 15 minutes so it's not in the way. But let's see this. Holy shit. Still a 50-point stop though. Seven-point stop. Did we form that 5-minute fair value gap? We did. I'm in a trade. I entered off of the 1 minute S&T after we came into the 5 minute fair value gap. My break even is going to be the start of the 15 minute fair value gap here. First take profit is going to be this 5 minute high. Second take profit would be for 1 to 2.4 would be the end of this 5 minute fair value gap. We'll see what happens. I'm risking 135 per account in this trade. 136. So I only went in 2 micros. It's a little bit later. So we'll find out. Yeah, so I'm risking 2.7K in this trade. Alright, I'm going to start moving my stop up. I'm going to start moving my stop up. 17-point stop up. We are touching into this 15-minute fair value gap. I'm not going to put it to break even yet because we didn't hit our break even level. You know, like that. Come on. Momentum, baby. Momentum. Alright. Stop loss is going close to break even. So regardless, we're coming into this 15-minute fair value gap. This is a spot where we can start the retrace. But I want to see flush movement through this 15-minute fair value gap. 627. We're tapping into this 15 minutes. This is a spot where I can reverse, so. But yes, to show me she wants to keep going. I'm gonna go break even on this trade because I don't like this reaction off of here. I think that's a smart thing to do here. Wow. That took a turn. I'm a little bit above break even right now. I got my stop at 25,635. This is a spot we can reverse. I'm just gonna play this smart right now. Just because again we are coming into a 15-minute fair value gap, so. If we break below this low, we're probably gonna get cooked. But again, regardless, break even. Come on, sweep this low and go higher. Come on. Nah. Ass. Ass. Alright. keep testing me. Hey. All right, $7 per account. I like that trade. Especially for like a day like today. Reason why I took it on NASDAQ too is it's leading off of the 1 minute SMT, so that's why I took it. Coming back down right into that 5 minute. Also, I really think we're going to continue higher, but I think I'm going to probably be done for today. But I'm going to get this one posted up. Reason why I took it on NASDAQ is because we were the leading index on the SMT. We came back up, formed that SMT. I trusted it. Entry was off the SMT. After coming into the 5 minute fair value gap. We inversed this 15 minute on ES also, dude. It was looking good. She was looking good. Where was that SMT entry off of ES? Could have been here. Stop would have probably been below this low. ES was the lagging. Dude, we did inverse that 15 minute also. We did. So are we gonna form another SMT? Look at this shit. And now ES is gonna be the leading index. There's no way, right? Where is this at? 1040? Oh my god, dude. Are you kidding me? Why'd that music pause? Shakira. Regardless, we didn't lose any money today, so we lost $7 per account. It was break even, but we got that huge candle down.
Every time I come back, I try to leave. Somehow you end up back with me. Oh, say what I
I think managed that trade very well. Again, we are coming into this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So this is a spot we can reverse off. That's why I put my break even right at that level. But again, yeah, I'm probably gonna be done today. Off a break even. I like that trade. Just because we broke structure on the 5-minute, we're reacting out of a first presented 5 hourly fair value gap. Yeah, we came down. We respected a 5-minute fair value gap. ES came into it. We formed a 1-minute S&T off of it. Never broke structure to the downside. We also came into equilibrium. Oh no, we didn't. Okay, we didn't come into equilibrium, but we could mark it from. I mean, no, we didn't go in equilibrium. I don't think we did on NASDAQ either. But I took it off the S&T. We were already bullish in the 1-minute. Yeah. Let me put this on.
Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Where's this place at?
Okay, we ended up taking a trade today. I got stopped at break even. I wanted longs, right? My entry was around like 1040-ish. Okay, so that's the only trade I took today. See my entries and my exits right there. We lost $7 per account, right? So break even day. Yeah, that's about it. We keep getting tested this month. This is break even, so I'm not going to consider it a red day. But yeah, again, this is how the month's looking. We're getting cooked this month, which is okay. But regardless, break even day, and we're going to keep trusting the system. We're going to end this month green, hopefully. We'll see. We'll see. If not, no big deal. We'll come back in February, but yeah. Break even today. Peace out. Okay, we ended up taking. Anybody else take trades today? Okay, we ended up taking. S&Ts are now like Pokemon everywhere. Yeah, for real. Okay, we ended up created equal highs and it goes to all time. Pluto, all time highs are. A 1,000 points away. I don't think that's gonna happen today.
Since I switched to Intuit QuickBooks.
Look at this shit though. Are we gonna end up respecting this 5-minute, dude? I like that trade though. I really did. I thought it was gonna play out. I thought we were gonna trade right through that 15-minute fair value gap here because now ES didn't have a 15-minute fair value gap. I thought we were gonna come to this 4-hour. We inversed that 15-minute right here on ES. Yeah, but again, a little bit later in the day. I bet a lot of people got stopped out today in this shit right here, trying to target London session lows. But break even. Break even. Now do we want to make a run for London session lows? Who calling it heat? I liked our break even level. I liked how we managed that trade. We let it run. We let it do its thing. Nothing you can really say. We had a 1-hour fair value gap, 5-minute TS. Then we tap into a 5-minute order block, then a 1-minute volume for entry, but I put wrong place my stop loss. I was focusing on money again, and I re-entered again. I'm done for the day. There you go. Shit, is turtle soup got liquidity? Yeah. I really still think we're going to continue higher, but I could be wrong. Yeah, that's it for me. It should continue. We're in a big picture, very bullish. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I'm not going to trade because now we've an hourly fair value gap above on NASDAQ for 11 a.m. And we're stuck in between two fair value gaps with 5 minutes. I'm done for the day, most likely. We broke structure on the hourly. We didn't break structure on the 4 hour. I would expect us to target like a 15-minute draw or something. Yeah, but I'm gonna walk away for today. I don't consider today a loss. It says $7 per account, which we did lose $7 per account. But that's a pretty big candle that stopped us out. So again, we had our break even right above our stop loss right above our break even, but we still lost a little bit. Look at this shit. 13K. 13K. We're starting off the year unprofitable. Isn't that crazy? We still have a 53% win rate, though, out of all time. So, negative 6-figure year? I hope not. There we go, J. Cole. We got a win there. It's on gold. There you go. Some people's charts do look like that. Guys, again, too, with posting your stuff, like see how we have J. Cole posting his entries and his exits, and Wing Wong posts his entries and his exits. W posts his entries and his exits. Even if it's on like funded accounts, post your entries and your exits. Like people on my YouTube channel, dude, fucking just act like they take a trade just to piss me off, and it gets annoying. Like if you took the trade, post your entries and your exits. Even if it's a paper trade, post your entries and your exits. Don't mark out the trade. Correct? Correct. What is this? Regardless if you win or lose, like I'm not gonna like this place is not. We're not gonna judge you if you lose a damn trade. It's we post the truth here. We don't try and piss people off and act like we're better than people. You understand what I'm saying? I really still think this is gonna continue up, but I want to walk away for today. It's their pro man. Oh gosh. This month is really testing me. Peace out, pro man. Back. I'm calling that sheet. I'm calling that sheet. Down 13 G's. Yeah. ES to inverse that 5 minute now. It did it. This motherfucker's still alive. Yeah, he took the same fucking trade as us. This shit really gonna do this to us? That's not nice, man. Come on. It's like poopy diaper. Really, yes. Who calling that shit? Wow, Diddy Candle. Should I just activate like an Alpha Futures account and we'll try and sling that bitch? Mr. T Long. There you go. Make some money today. You guys are fucking retarded. Shit! I can't post that now. No, I can. Who's gonna go rewind it to a friggin' area? Hot. Who calling that shit? Who calling that shit? I probably sound so stupid and weird. I don't get why you guys watch me. Got me pumping. I had a DJ running today too. It's on YouTube though. NASDAQ, are you gonna inverse this or what? Pissing me off, dude. Bitch, pissing me off. We're back to our entry. We're back to our entry. Let's see if our original stop loss would still be playing. No way it would. You suck! Look at this shit. It's right off. Oh, it's not. Look at this! Look at it! Oh my god, we inversed the 5 minute. This shit's gonna end up playing out. Watch. I just heard somebody probably crash. Should I just throw the tunes back on? Get the Alpha Future discount right now. I might consider it. We inversed a 5 minute to the upside. That's gay. Who calling that heat? Really should walk away right now. Probably the smart thing to do. It's 11:11. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna end this stream. This is what I got for you. Break even trade. I'm gonna sit with the Discord for a little bit. If I end up taking a trade with them, I'll let you know. You know. Are you joking? Your ass. Sorry. All right. Goodbye. Bye, YouTube.